Oh no,
Here's a little bit of old school for it. That goes a little something like this. I always tried to be the flyest kid on the block, the popular one with the riding stock. So that's when I had this bright idea. For the party of the month, now the party of the year. All the fine girls couldn't turn it down. Now all I gotta do is get my parents out. Should I send them to a movie? I send them to a show. Let me think. It's gotta be long though. I said, Mom, Dad, yo, why you sitting home? It's a Friday night. Have you seen Aunt Joe? And don't worry about staying out too long. Don't fuss over me. I'll be fine alone. Have a good time. The doorbell rings 'cause the party's here. I'm cranking up the stereo like it's New Year's. Walking around the house like who's the man? Ain't nobody do it like Eric can. First on the floor, you know that's me. Busting at the moves like it's MTV. I guess somewhere along I lost my head. Then I jumped on the table. This is what I said. People all around, you got to. Everyone together, sing it loud. Jump all around, come on. What? Say it again. People all around, you got to. From the left to the right, make noise. Here we go now, come on. What? Come on, here we go, ha-ha. Woo, here we go, Things are going great, then to my surprise, some people walked in I didn't recognize. I said, fellas,